Nodding off, understanding this common English phrase. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, nodding off. This phrase is widely used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's explore what it means, its origins, and how to use it in conversation. Nodding off is a phrase used to describe briefly falling asleep, usually unintentionally. It's often seen in situations where someone is very tired but is trying to stay awake, like in a meeting, during a movie, or even when they are just sitting and relaxing. The term comes from the action of the head nodding forward when a person starts to sleep briefly and then wakes up again. The phrase, nodding off, has been in use for many centuries. It originates from the physical action of nodding, which is a quick, slight forward movement of the head, often associated with drowsiness or falling asleep. Over time, this physical action became linked with the concept of starting to fall asleep, especially in a setting where one is expected to stay awake. To fully grasp the usage of nodding off, let's look at some examples. 1. I was nodding off during the lecture because I didn't sleep well last night. 2. During the long train ride, I noticed several passengers nodding off. 3. If you're nodding off at your desk, maybe you should take a short nap. In these sentences, nodding off is used to express the act of briefly falling asleep, particularly in situations where sleep is not the main intention. Understanding similar phrases can broaden your understanding of nodding off. Some synonyms include dozing off, drifting off, falling asleep momentarily. Each of these phrases conveys a similar meaning but might be used in slightly different contexts. Thank you for watching our video on the phrase, nodding off. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding these small nuances. Stay tuned for more insightful videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning!